Welcome to this guided meditation focused on visualizing a symbol to enhance your focus and concentration. This practice will help you clear your mind and stay present. Find a quiet and comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably, keeping your spine straight. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Repeat this deep breathing 2 more times, letting yourself become more relaxed with each breath. As you continue your deep, slow breaths, bring your awareness to the contact points between your body and the surface you are on. Feel the support beneath you, grounding you to the earth. Imagine roots extending from your body into the ground, anchoring you securely. With each breath, feel stability and strength flowing up through these roots into your body. As your body settles, shift your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations without trying to control or change them. Let the breath guide you deeper into relaxation, releasing any tension or distractions. Now, imagine a symbol that represents focus and concentration to you. This symbol can be anything that holds personal significance, something that draws your attention and centers your mind. It could be a simple shape, a word, or a personal image that resonates with your intention. Think about what naturally brings you a sense of calm and clarity. It might be a circle, representing unity and wholeness, or perhaps a word like peace or focus that grounds you. Take a moment to visualize the symbol in your mind's eye and allow it to come into clear focus. Picture it vividly, as if you could reach out and touch it. Notice its edges, its texture, and how it makes you feel. As you breathe gently, focus on the symbol. With each inhale, draw the symbol closer into your mind, and with each exhale, let go of any distractions. Feel your breath connecting you to this symbol, anchoring you in the present moment. See it clearly, noting its form, color, and any intricate details. Is it bright or muted? Does it have a specific texture or pattern? Allow these details to become more vivid with each breath you take. Let yourself become fully absorbed in its presence, as if it's the only thing that exists at this moment. Feel the world around you fade away, leaving just you and the symbol. Notice how your body feels as you maintain this focus. Notice how the symbol embodies focus and concentration, perhaps symbolizing precision or a steady flow of energy. It might represent a goal you are working towards, or a state of mind you wish to achieve. Connect with these qualities, feeling them resonate within you. Imagine the symbol radiating a gentle energy that fills your entire being, enhancing your focus and concentration. Let this energy flow through you, grounding you and bringing a sense of peace and clarity. As you continue to breathe, feel this connection deepen, knowing that you can return to this symbol whenever you need to center yourself and regain focus. Now, imagine the symbol expanding, filling your entire field of vision. Picture it growing larger and larger until it becomes the only thing you can see. This symbol, radiant and powerful, begins to envelop you in its warm, glowing light. As it grows, it envelops your entire body, surrounding you with its energy. Feel the gentle warmth of the light as it wraps around you, like a comforting embrace. This light is not just any light. It is a manifestation of pure energy, a symbol of focus and clarity. Feel yourself merging with the symbol, blending your essence with its essence. Imagine your energies intertwining, becoming one with this powerful symbol. As you merge, you can feel a sense of unity and harmony, as if you're becoming part of something greater than yourself. With each inhale, draw in the essence of focus and concentration, letting it permeate every cell of your being. Feel the air filling your lungs, bringing with it a sense of purpose and clarity. Each breath is a reminder of your connection to the symbol and the energy it represents. With each exhale, release any distractions, doubts, or mental clutter. Imagine these negative thoughts and feelings leaving your body with each breath out, dissipating into the air like mist. You are letting go of anything that does not serve you, making space for the positive energy of the symbol. As you bask in the symbol's energy, notice how your mind becomes clear and your thoughts more centered. The symbol's light is like a beacon, guiding your thoughts into a state of calm and focus. You can feel the mental fog lifting, replaced by a sense of clarity and purpose. You feel a deep sense of calm and stillness, as if all internal noise and chatter have subsided. This stillness is profound, a quiet that allows you to hear your inner voice more clearly. It is a silence that is not empty, but full of potential and peace. Allow this tranquility to nourish you, fully embracing the present moment. Feel the peace of the present moment washing over you like a gentle wave. This is a time for you, a moment to recharge and reconnect with your inner self. Notice how your awareness expands and your senses sharpen. You are more attuned to the world around you, noticing details you might have missed before. The colors seem more vibrant, the sounds more distinct, and the sensations more intense. Feel the power of focus and concentration within you, guiding you toward clarity and productivity. This focus is like a laser, cutting through any distractions and honing in on what truly matters. It is a powerful tool that you can use in all areas of your life. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the symbol, anchoring yourself in the present moment. It is natural for the mind to wander, but each time you bring it back, you strengthen your ability to focus. The symbol is your anchor, a constant reminder of your intention and purpose. As you continue to meditate, feel the deep connection between you and the symbol growing stronger. This connection is a source of strength and inspiration, a wellspring of energy that you can draw upon whenever you need it. It is a bond that transcends the physical. reaching into the very core of your being. Embrace this sense of unity, knowing that you are part of something much larger than yourself. This symbol represents not just your personal focus and clarity, but a universal energy that connects all things. By merging with the symbol, you are tapping into this vast, interconnected web of life. As you bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to reflect on the journey you have taken. You have merged with the symbol, drawn in its energy, and released what no longer serves you. You have found clarity, focus, and a deep sense of peace. Carry this feeling with you as you go about your day, knowing that you can return to the state of calm and focus whenever you need to. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body gently, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Take a deep breath and feel the energy of the symbol still within you, guiding you, supporting you. You are ready to face the day with a clear mind and a focused heart. Remember, the symbol is always with you, a source of strength and clarity. Whenever you need to, you can return to this meditation, reconnect with the symbol, and find your center once again. You are never alone. The energy of the symbol is always within you, guiding you toward your highest potential. Carry this sense of peace and focus with you throughout your day. Let it guide your actions, inform your decisions, and inspire your interactions. You have the power to create a life of clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. The symbol is your guide, your anchor, and your source of strength. Embrace it and let it lead you to your highest self. As you continue visualizing the symbol, let's incorporate affirmations to build self-confidence. Repeat the following silently or aloud with conviction and belief. I am worthy of love and respect. I trust in my abilities and strengths. I am confident and capable. I release all doubts and embrace self-belief. I am deserving of success and happiness. Feel the power of these affirmations resonating within you, filling every cell of your being with positive energy and self-confidence. Imagine any remaining self-doubt or negative thoughts as dark clouds in the sky. These clouds represent the worries, fears, and uncertainties that have been holding you back. Visualize a gentle breeze blowing, dispersing these clouds. This breeze is the power of your inner strength and resilience, gently but firmly pushing away the negativity. Watch as they dissolve and disappear, leaving the sky clear and bright. The once overcast sky is now a vast expanse of blue, symbolizing clarity and peace. Feel light and free as these doubts are released, knowing they no longer have power over you. This newfound clarity allows you to see the world and your place in it with fresh eyes, unburdened by the weight of self-doubt. Take a deep breath in, feeling the newfound confidence and self-assurance filling your entire being. As you exhale, imagine this confidence spreading from your heart, radiating through your body and beyond. Each breath you take is a reminder of your strength and capability. With every inhale, you draw in positivity and self-belief, and with every exhale, you release any lingering doubts. Visualize yourself in situations where you once felt self-doubt, now handling them with ease and confidence. See yourself speaking clearly, making assured decisions, and achieving your goals with determination. Picture yourself in a meeting, presenting your ideas with conviction or making a decision that leads to success. These visualizations are not just dreams, they are the reality you are creating for yourself. Embrace this vision and let it guide you in your daily life. Remember, the power to overcome doubt and achieve greatness lies within you. Trust in your abilities and let your confidence shine through in everything you do. As this meditation concludes, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Gradually become aware of your surroundings, the sounds and sensations around you. When you're ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. Take your time, and when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the sense of confidence, focus, and self-assurance you have cultivated during this meditation. Bring this positive energy with you throughout your day, knowing you can return to this place of inner strength, clarity, and confidence whenever you need.